Hey there, Eric Pearson. Just saying hello and introducing you to my take, my opinion, and my infatuation with MyEcon. So I will be point blank in stating I think my infatuation is really with the 2020 Vision team. And if you bear with me, I will explain that too. So MyEcon. Basically, a company 14 years old educating people on tax and credit law changes. Let's face it. What do taxes do, right? They enable our government to do with our money what they need to do because they think it's what they need to do to manage us wonderful folks, right? And our taxes do a lot of good things. There's no doubt about it. So pay your taxes. But quit paying too much of your taxes. You know what I'm saying? Here's what this company does. This company essentially makes sure that you are allocating the correct amount of taxes out of your paychecks based on your existing circumstances and, most importantly, the current tax laws that are available to you to take advantage of. So that's where the rubber meets the road. And here is one of the reason why I'm so infatuated with this, again, is because of the 2020 Vision team and what you're getting for free. I'll elaborate on that in a minute because there's a special offer. $20 is the get started price to tap into a fully legitimate W-4 education system that you will, in an hour max, okay, maybe two if you're really slow and you don't know where your tax information is from last year and you have to dig for your details, okay, it might take a couple hours. But it's going to put more money in your pocket than, let's just talk after you do the W-4 and you realize that this little piece of paper that you're taking to your employer, they can't argue with. And that money that's there, that's yours. And yeah, you were basically giving it up tax-free to the wonderful United States government. How's it feel? It's going to feel really good when you put it back in your pocket. And that's where it gets crazy good because 2020 Vision team, I really want to give a kudos to Daniel Kump for going above and beyond the call of duty because what you're getting for free is an app that basically makes managing these types of businesses, growing these types of businesses, marketing these types of businesses, guaranteed. It is just the right way to do these types of businesses. And when you realize, what it is, it's all the duplication and it's the tools that you need to keep track of, manage, follow up, and basically share in a way that is just massively duplicatable. And that's what we're doing. You are now in the know. And the value speaks for itself. I'm going to do another video on the credit system because that's really what it has done for me. I mean, after a horrible divorce, it took me a year and a half to go from 480 to 540. And I don't know. I mean, I know what the program has done and some of the new information and education and some form letters and some ways that I was taught to interact with the wonderful credit bureau. And my credit's up to 694. So I really do think it's going to be at 750 here in another month, and it's surprising the hell out of me. I just need to be straight out and open and honest about it. It is crazy what it's done for my credit, and I almost feel like I gotta send some thank you cards and some flowers to the people that received some of the correspondence and letters that this system taught me to use better, to my advantage, to document my credit worthiness, right? Because this is all about your cash and credit and your liquidity and your ability to manage what is a self-employment opportunity that opens up a lot of tax doors, okay? A lot of tax and credit opportunity that benefits you personally in ways that you're going to find out real soon, right? Hey, you have an awesome day, night, wherever you are in this world, hopefully in the United States, because that's where this is getting done. You got a paycheck. You've got more money sitting there waiting for you to basically own this business, manage this business, and grow this business. Peace out.